At West Coast Appliance and Furniture, get huge GE savings. Save up to 35% on select GE appliances in the finish of your choice. Plus, ask about special financing at West Coast Appliance and Furniture on Crater Lake Highway, Central Point.
The region is still trying to dry out after all of that heavy rain and melting snow that we got over the past few days, and even flooding some homes and triggering some landslides. Fox 26's Amanda Rose has more.
It's pretty amazing. I mean, there's a lot of water coming out of here.
If you're wondering how all the wet, rainy weather has affected Southern Oregon lately, look no further than the water from Lost Creek Lake pouring into the Rogue River.
It's a lot of water.
It's beautiful.
This is the most I have seen coming out of it in the 5 years I've been here. It's pretty wild.
The outpour, looking like a small Niagara Falls, was a welcome sight for many who stopped by to take photos and videos. I couldn't help but do the same.
No, you do not want to be in these waters right now.
Chuck Grady of the Army Corps of Engineers says the last time they had to release this much water into the Rogue River was back in 1997.
This storm, being as heavy, has dropped a lot more water than we would typically have at this time of year.
After a weekend of heavy rain and flooding, viewers sent us a number of incredible images, most of them from the coast.
I mean, it feels like this winter has been a lot worse wind and rain wise.
The Oregon Department of Consumer and Business Services says more than 20% of flood claims come from homes outside high-risk flood zones. It's the most common natural disaster, but many insurance policies don't cover floods.
But the rain this year is much more intense.
All that water means both Lost Creek and Applegate Lakes have higher water elevations than usual.
Most recent years, we've had more of a struggle keeping the elevations at the lake. This year, we are not going to have that struggle.
And although more rain is expected soon, Grady says they don't expect things to be as crazy as Monday night.
We're not expecting it to get any higher.
Amanda, thank you. The Oregon Department of Consumer and Business Services says just 1 inch of water in your home can actually cause $25,000 worth of damage. If you weren't impacted by the flooding already, now may be a time to check out your policy. For more tips, you can visit informationfloodsmart.org.